Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram glitch problem. To know how to fix Instagram glitch problem, you should just go to settings. As you see, you will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps. When you will see this list, you will go down the app to application of Instagram here. And when you will see this list, you will go to first stop. And you will enter here to storage. Then in this page you will go to click clear soy cache, and then you will click clear data, and after that you can turn off your phone. That you can know how to fix Instagram glitch problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.